Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, get yourself some lawn soil, top dressing from Scott's. It's a great add-on if you have little dips and undulations and dry spots or thinned out spots in your lawn. It comes packed with micronutrients and starter fertilizer, and it's called Lawn Soil by Scott's. It's typically used as a top dressing and or if you're going to seed or sod. In this case, in my scenario, I'm using it as a top dressing, and I'm spreading it in some areas that are thinned out and dipped in so I can thicken up that grass. Once you've satisfied dumping all your little soil piles strategically throughout the yard, grab yourself a nice robust push broom to broom it and brush it all through the grass. Let it go to the crown of the grass. Let the grass poke up, tall and proud like an American, so the sun can have its photosynthesis on it, so it can breathe and not get choked out. Very important. Make sure the blades of grass are poking up, straight up, and exposed, and that soil is brushed nice and thoroughly in to the crown of the grass. Alright folks, after you're all done and you're satisfied with the spread, not a bad idea to water it in so you can activate the micronutrients and the starter fertilizer that the soil is packed with.